Are you looking for some salt and pepper grinders that work really well? Well, let's see how well these ones from LHS work. So first things first, how do you fill it? Screw off the top. Top is off. Take the top off, and now take whatever you're going to fill them with. In this case, I bought some Himalayan pink salt because that's just the big rock salt that you can. And just pour it in until it's as high as you like. Now don't be like me and make a mistake and try to put it back together. The silver part goes on top. So if you try and put it the opposite direction, which I have done, there's no place to screw it on. So make sure the black part goes towards your ingredients. Boom. And screw it on. Now this screw knob not only screws it on, it also determines how coarse or how fine. Let's do a nice coarse grind. Let's see how well that works. So one thing I've learned is this, oh, that's coarse. Really quick, just look at that, 3 or 4 turns, and I already have a nice layer of salt. So they work really quickly to grate your salt. Let's go to a finer thing. Let's screw this thing all the way down, as tight as I can, and let's see the difference. On my left side, on your right side, this is the coarse side. Over here, that is the fine side. Not very much difference, but you can still see the fine is very fine. How does it do on pepper? Fill it in the same way. Let's see, a few turns. I'm gonna open it up all the way, okay? So we're gonna make it as coarse as I can right now. Just a few turns brings you a lot of pepper. There you go, coarse pepper. Let's grind it all the way down. Tighten it. The more you tighten that screw, the finer the grate. A nice, fine size of pepper. I'm gonna take a quick look at them. If you look at the pepper on the salt, there isn't that much of a difference. There is a difference, but not a terrible, big, huge difference on the size of the grains. So if you're looking for some good salt and pepper grinders, I would definitely expect you to try and buy these ones from LHS. Why? Because man, just a few turns and a whole bunch of salt, a whole bunch of pepper comes out. Better than any other salt and pepper grinders I have used, especially those electronic ones that people try and get you to buy. So these are a pure delight to have in my arsenal. If you think these LHS pepper and salt grinders are great to have in your own home, you can get a link in the description below to purchase them. And that's not all. You're definitely going to want to have a wonderful dish to use with once you get some pepper and salt grinders. And I have a dish right over here that is best used with these salt and pepper grinders.